Ramya says, my boss says, we humans are naturally evil. It takes effort to be good. Evil comes naturally. So if you just let it be, you will see the presence of so much peace, so much joy. And these concepts of evil, good, truth, lies, all of this will seem so alien to you. Just concepts. But there is good something in this to be learned, isn't it? Even in this. Okay? Because the nature of the mind is always devious. So if we refer to ourselves as this mind or the ego, then we can say that this one is always trying to trick us into misbelief, into belief that we are the imagined one. See, in some parts of the world or some spiritual paths, this mind or ego is called the dark side or the dark forces and all of that. We don't refer to it like that because that would give it way too much reality than it deserves. It is nothing at all. No darkness can persist in your own light. It is your own light of consciousness which is taking care of the entire universe. Then she says, the boss has said there has to be a balance of evil and good in the world. The world cannot sustain only on good. Is this true? No, this is not true. But what is true is that in this realm of this world appearance, it is seen that this yin and yang, these forces of opposites always operate. This is the world of duality. Everything comes with its opposite. Me comes with another, good comes with evil, truth comes with lies. Everything is duality at every level. See? So, this is the world of duality which is full of the opposites. This is the way it appears. And it appears this way so that we can transcend this duality. So, if we keep studying the nature of the world and try to sort out the world as a person, no one has been able to do that. Many avatars have come and gone. Many great teachers, sages, masters, saints have come and gone. Who has been able to sort out the world? But there are beings who have come to the place of realization of their supreme self and come to this place of happiness and peace. And all beings will come to this ultimate place of recognition. Therefore, if you want to truly be a role model to the world, show the world how you can be free from your suffering. Because it is not in the material things. If you help another with material things, that is not enough. And nothing wrong in doing that if you feel from the heart that it is to be done, nothing wrong in doing that to help in material or practical things, but it is not enough. Show the world how to be free from suffering. We say, be the change. Gandhiji, I believe, had said, be the change you want to see in the world. So, what is the change that you can be? You can be forever free from suffering. And in your being free from suffering, the world becomes free from suffering.